What's going on, everybody? Thanks for tuning in to the channel. Got a little shop update for you here. We are, I don't know, if I had to guess, maybe 95.5% done, maybe a little less. I don't know. Most of the building's done anyway. We got a little bit more to do. Got a lot of organizing to do, but we're getting there. The office is mostly done. Gonna have to move the bathroom door so the couch will fit against the wall that we want it on, but I'm gonna turn this thing around and let y'all check it out. Raining a little bit here. I'll walk in the shop. Obviously the four-wheeler's not gonna stay. It's in the way. See if I can get a good view of the office. Did some tin around the bottom, pallet wood for the rest of it. Got our AC unit over here. Pegboard, hanger, welding hoods and whatnot on. Dad built a little drain for it to go out the wall. We still got to tie into the water and run it across the shop. Over there to the refrigerator so the ice maker will work. There's old Chevy 2, still broke. Still needs a motor. Old blown Hemi. We ran some electricity, so that cord reel has got power right there and our gas pump and all. Got our hose reel. Let's go in the office. Doors in, still got to get some knobs, but trying to keep the AC inside. Been doing a little decorating. Close this door. Got the door all trimmed out. So the couch is gonna go over here where this bench is. We're going to move the door about a foot to the right. I know this is hard to see it all, but got some pretty cool decorations up. Gotta love old Hobby Lobby. They got some cool stuff. That didn't come from Hobby Lobby. Oh man. But there's my desk Hannah painted for me. Got a little patina on it. But this is the office, guys. It's insulated. The walls we built is insulated, and then the roof, it's insulated. Got some old Hilburn stack early Hemi fuel injection hanging up. But figure I'd give y'all a little update. All the plumbing's hooked back up. This is the bathroom, so we're gonna move this door to the right, that way, about 12 inches. Got an old shower in here. But so I started insulating this where I had access to it. When we move this wall, I'm gonna tear all that down and then insulate that. That'll keep the office cooler. And I'm gonna insulate all this mess too. And then, you know, if I ever wanted to use this, I can just leave the door open. Hopefully it'll cool off. But that's it, guys. That's the old office. Got some junk up there. But anyway, that's it. I hope you guys like it. I know I do. It's nice having some air conditioning. Got all the lights wired up. They're all on one switch. Of course, you can turn them off individually. I'm making a little progress. Not a very long video, just a little update. Figure y'all check the office out. Me and Pop's pretty proud of it. I think it turned out good with old pallet wood. Got you know, air conditioning, a little spot to hang out. Eventually we'll have a TV out here, and we'll be in high cotton. But appreciate y'all tuning into the channel. We got some new subs. We're getting close to 200, so that's pretty exciting. And then I got some other videos gonna come out soon. Little sneak peek, little barn find. But y'all take care. Appreciate you tuning in. Bye.